Hey you guys, it's Kristen, and guess where I'm at? Can y'all believe I'm at Family Dollar? I was blessed with a 3 off of 15 digital coupon. Check your account. Mine does expire today, which is a bummer, but I just got out of school. I'm going to come in here, get something really quickly, and yeah, it's going to be a quick video. So in the meantime, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell down below. That way you won't miss any of my videos. Now let's just get into this haul. So to kick this transaction off, I'm going to pick up one of these gang flings, the 14 count. The 12 count and the 14 count are on sale this week. This store isn't tagged, but they're on sale for $3.95. I have $1 digital, making this $2.95. So the Tide liquid as well as the Tide Pods, they are $4.95 this week. I'm going to pick up one. I think I'm going to get the liquid because I'm running a little low on my liquids. So I'm going to pick up one at $4.95. I do have a $2 digital, dropping it down to just $2.95. You guys, it's really hard couponing when the store is empty. I think they are stocking, but yeah, the store is empty and I hate it. But anyways, I'm going to pick up 2 of the Febreze sprays. They're priced at $3. So that's going to be $6. I do have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. I think I'm going to get these 2. It's going to make them $3 for both, or 50 cents each. Come to think of it, I think I'm going to get 2 of these blue sprays because I don't think I have that. I don't know. Anyways, yeah, so 2 of them for $3 or $1.50 each. So my total is at $14.90 and I need $15 for that digital coupon to come off. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just getting a filler item. This one is a little dusty, but I'm going to pick up one of these juicy fruits for 35 cents. No coupons, but I need it to put me over the $15 threshold. So this is everything that I'll be picking up today. Before coupons, my total comes out to $15.25. After the cashier scans everything, I'm going to type in my phone number and all the digital coupons are going to apply. It's going to drop my total down to $6.25, which isn't bad because 2 of the Febreze is $6, so it's like I'm getting 2 of them. I'm picking up 2 of them and getting the Gain and Tide for free. Now I'm going to head to the front and I'm just going to check out, and then you guys already know I'm going to show you guys my receipt once I get into the car. Okay, y'all, let's take a look at this receipt. A quick look because it's really small. I didn't get a lot of stuff. Everything went as planned. You see the Tide, the Gain, the 2 Febreze, and then that juicy fruit. And then the juicy fruit was a filler item. I just needed 10 cents, so you literally can get anything if you do this deal. My subtotal, $15.25, $9 in savings. So I just paid the $6.25. Small, but I still think it was a pretty good haul because it's like I bought the 2 Febreze sprays and I got a free Tide and a free Gain. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I also hope you guys enjoyed your day. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. If you like this video, you guys, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share the video, as well as comment, and I'll just see you guys in the next video. Also, you guys, quick reminder that, remember that giveaway is going on. It's a pretty easy, simple giveaway. Just head over to, if you haven't already entered into the giveaway, just head over to my Walgreens beauty haul, the second one. All you literally got to do is like that, be a subscriber, like that video, and then comment down below where you're from, and that's it. And I will be drawing the name on Saturday and announcing the winner on Sunday. So if you want to get into that, definitely go head over there and do so. And until next time, you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.